think it's very good ministry and very very productive ministry and very mabilis kasi makapag-reach ng tao because basketball eh. Alam mo naman pag sinabing basketball, yan ang number one sports ng Pinas eh. Di ba? Especially pag young people pa, hinalo mo pa ng young people who loves basketball, sabihan mo lang ng basketball, pupunta ka agad yan. I'm talking about pre-pandemic Ngayon, syempre, ibang usapan yun. Di ba? And one thing about yung basketball is, ever since kasing bata pa ako, I've been playing basketball na. So, for so many years, that's one of my passions in life. Tapos, hinalo mo pa ng ministry, is parang galing ng combination. So, sakto talaga na parang blessing from God that I could use my gift, which is basketball, to serve God, to serve God and to reach young people on that note. So effective siya for one, especially hindi siya tawag dito. Hindi siya kasi nasa nasa parang inside the buildings of a church. So wala siyang four corners, wala siyang walls. Siyempre pag may gym may wall ka pero hindi siya exactly nasa isang room na nagmi-meet kayo. The usual fellowship stuff. So mas informal siya, I guess you could also be more hindi naman intimate more connected to the person because kalaro mo siya sa court ganon. So you have fun at the same time you're reaching out to young people in a very informal and very light fun way. This is Francis Tan. In Jesus' name, I serve.